Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Thobile. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Musa Mseleku and his fourth wife Thobile Mseleku celebrated their union yesterday because she and Musa Mseleku were not able to celebrate their wedding back due to COVID-19 as a result they ended up canceling their wedding celebration, you guys. And yesterday they invited close family members and friends to celebrate with them. So this is what the celebration looked like.